Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Bitcoin is the topic of the day. Bitcoin market dip. Technology section of Bloomberg. Bitcoin falls below 8,000 for the first time since June. The largest digital token has slumped about 20% since Friday. Bloomberg Galaxy Crypto Index drops to lowest level since May. Bitcoin extended its 5-day losing streak on Thursday and dropped below 8,000 for the first time since June as a growing list of concerns weighed on crypto assets. Bitcoin fell as much as 9% to $7,736 in New York, according to Bloomberg's composite pricing, before bouncing off the lows of the day. The Bloomberg Galaxy Crypto Index that tracks a basket of cryptocurrencies slumped more than 8% as peer coins, including Ether and XRP, also sold off. That's the lowest level since May for the index. There is no good catalyst to drive it higher, says John Spatulani, portfolio manager at Miller Value Partners. Bitcoin was never able to regain the near 14,000 highs it reached over the summer, he said, adding that the market got tired and volume dried up. Investors cited a variety of reasons for the slump that seen Bitcoin lose about 20% of its value since Friday. Some pointed to a lackluster reception to the first Bitcoin futures contracts that were offered by the Intercontinental Exchange-backed platform. Others pointed to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission delaying a decision on a Bitcoin exchange-traded product. Still others said that the expiration of the CME futures contract set to take place this week is causing turbulence. Here's what market watchers are saying. As the volumes on these contracts have been particularly high this week, this month's close would be particularly volatile, Maddie Greenspan, senior market analyst at trading platform eToro, wrote in a note reference to CME contracts. A Bitcoin ETF isn't likely to arrive on U.S. exchanges in 2019, James Seaford, a Bloomberg intelligence analyst, wrote in a note. The SEC has made it clear that the concern about Bitcoin price manipulation on exchanges without any regulatory oversight or surveillance. The crypto market drop will be a rude awakening for anyone who was starting to speculate that Bitcoin was becoming a safe haven asset. However, compared to historical volatility patterns, a drop like this barely registers. There have always been short periods of volatility in crypto, and this kind of activity is only to be expected as the asset continues to grow, said Gavin Smith, Chief Executive Officer at Panora. There are many potential reasons for the recent fall in the price of Bitcoin. It could be the selling the news on the launcher back, which has so far seen much lower than expected volumes of trading go through its platform following months of hype. It could also be in response to the rapid decline in Bitcoin hash rate, amount of computation in the system, though this now seems less likely as the hash rate has somewhat recovered. Many cycle traders were also saying that Bitcoin was due a cycle low in early October, so this seems to be on point, says George McDonald, Chief Executive at KR1. Falling below the 8,000 level could mean Bitcoin would test its 200-day moving average support, which sits around 7,000, and also according to the Trading Envelope Indicator, a technical tool that moves moving averages to map out higher and lower limits, the coin has fallen below its lower band. Following a break below 8,000, a quick move back to 6,000 would not be out of the question, says Palenzi. All right, as we look at the current price of Bitcoin on CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin is currently $8,034.46. That's the current price of Bitcoin on CoinMarketCap as of right now. This article on CoinDesk, why Bitcoin tumbled below 8K. Bitcoin prices briefly slipped below 8,000 each on Thursday for the first time in 3 months, though the cryptocurrency is still more than double its level at the start of 2019. What do these bold and volatile moves mean for the ecosystem? David Nage, principal at the Los Angeles-based money manager Arkham Funds, discusses his views on this week's price drop and whether price volatility in cryptocurrencies might turn off big investors. Nage, who saw Bitcoin's price to be artificially range-bound until this correction, stated, "With Bitcoin, while there's a potential to drop, obviously you can see that the potential to buy." Nays believes that the asset Bitcoin is akin to future-pointed equities like Netflix and Amazon. We're not in the business of price prediction, says Nays. If the supply continues to get cut in half and the demands continue to rise, classical economics shows the price increases. Catalyst for price action, and while the BTC halving set for the release on May 15, 2020 is potentially bullish, both the technical and fundamental views point toward uncertain times ahead for BTC's direction after its recent sell-off threw into question the long-term trend. Sovis Sagaroon, co-founder and CEO of Band Protocol, said, looking at the technical chart of Bitcoin, we've been seeing a squeeze and a descending triangle of the Bitcoin price in the last few days, combined with the recent disappointing launch of back. It is clear that there's an overall negative market sentiment in the market. Band Protocol connects smart contracts with trusted off-chain information provided through community-curated data providers. Why Bitcoin tumbled below 8K? So you see the news that's out there right now. Bitcoin's price fails to hold recovery signs to drop below 7.9K. Bitcoin has dipped below 7,800 after the coin touched its 4-month lows on September 24th. This is the lowest level since spring. Bitcoin entered a rough volatile this week after the largest cryptocurrency crashed $1,500 in 24 hours on Tuesday to touch the 8,000 threshold. After seeing signs of recovery earlier today, Bitcoin has seen another sharp sell-off from an intraday high of around $8,600 to a low as $7,830 at press time, according to Coin 360. Bitcoin is down 5.3 over 24 hours at press time, seeing a massive drop of more than 21% over the past 7 days. According to Bloomberg data, Bitcoin dropped 9% to trade as low as 77,396 in New York, which is the lowest price for the cryptocurrency since May 2019, according to the index. Total market capitalization continues to indicate new multi-month lows. Crypto markets down from $218 billion at the beginning of the day to $209 billion at press time. Impact of BAC's new futures product. The new wave of red on crypto markets follows the launch of physical Bitcoin futures by institutional trading platform BAC on Sunday, September 22nd. Earlier today, Cointelegraph reported on new research suggesting that the future settlement dates end up manipulating the Bitcoin price. Specifically, CME Group Bitcoin future settlement dates negatively impacted Bitcoin prices, according to Arcane Research. Reportedly found that Bitcoin fell in 75% of the times right away before CME issued payouts in the period between January 2018 to August 2019. So the CME Group Bitcoin future settlement dates negatively affect Bitcoin markets, according to Arcane Research, which reportedly found that Bitcoin fell in 75% of the times right away when CME issued payouts in a period between January 2018 to August 2019. Wow, so that's interesting. So whenever there's a future a CME issued payout from the futures markets, we see a negative Bitcoin price 75% of the time. That's a very interesting point that they bring up there, and it makes you wonder if it's the futures that's pushing the Bitcoin price down. So that's another video to do on another day. I would definitely bring that back up to you guys and try to go over, like, why do we think the futures is having that type of effect on Bitcoin, and why is Bitcoin always going down whenever the futures comes into play, okay? All right, so that's the big news of the day. Why Bitcoin tumbled below 8K, and let me know what you guys think. When do we think that Bitcoin would get above 10K again? When you think, will it be in October? Will it be in November? Will it be December, January, February? When do we think Bitcoin goes back over 10K again? Guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Don't forget to go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the Next Big Crypto Report, where you can get trading alerts and the Next Big Crypto Report every month. Very inside information from our team at Knockout Crypto. All of that can be found at knockoutcrypto.com. Don't forget to go there. And also, don't forget to comment below. Let me know, do you think Bitcoin will be 10K by the end of the year? That's going to be the question. Do you think Bitcoin goes over 10K by the end of the year? I want to take a quick poll to find out what you guys think. Do you think Bitcoin go over 10K by the end of the year? It's going to be interesting to see what you guys think. They say with these polls, if the majority thinks that it's going to go over, then that means it's going to go under. If the majority thinks it's going to go under, then that means it's going to go over. And that's usually how the market settlement works. It works the opposite of what the majority thinks. All right, guys. Well, thank you for following Knockout Crypto. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Don't forget to follow us there. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. A lot of people don't hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, okay? Thank you guys for following Knockout Crypto.
In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams, and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.